Is your content ready for the increasingly visual results on search? As Google shifts emphasis to mobile search, visibility is crucial. More and more search results feature an image along with the meta description. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here's what you need to know about how you can use images to build organic visibility. Think images everywhere. Because images naturally draw the human eye, visual content becomes an organic search competitive advantage. A search snippet with an image is more likely to be clicked than a text-only snippet. But adding an image isn't enough. On-page quality is important as it now influences click-through rates and thus traffic. No clear guidelines exist to make sure Google includes a thumbnail image in your page search snippet, but there are a few things you can do to optimize the potential. Include a unique image on the page. Follow Google's guidelines to specify a thumbnail image on each page. And do basic image SEO. Get your images featured. Apart from thumbnail images, another prominent section within Google search result pages that can steal attention and clicks is featured snippets. The selected search results that appear on top of Google's organic search results provide a quick answer to the query. To identify opportunities for featured snippet images, you can use several tools. Keyword research tools including SERPstat and SEMrush can be used to identify featured snippet opportunities. You can explore which ones have images and where the images align with the text. Lastly, promote with consistent images. Images inside Google's search results set expectations. Searchers already know what they will find inside the page. Those who click would land on your page with a strong intent to download it. To take this idea further, use the visual asset featured in Google's SERPs for the on-site retargeting campaigns. You can reuse the same image to follow the user around your site or even after they return to your site days later. This way, you have a greater chance to convert those people who fail to opt in and download your lead magnet right away. For more information, visit www.iidm.world.